The Christ University is one of the most famous universities in India. The university offers nationally and internationally recognized undergraduate, postgraduate, and research programs. The university offers 46 undergraduate programs. The university offers 47 Masters, 17 Master of Philosophy, and 21 PhD degree programs. Hi, this is Youth for Work and we are up with another video. In this video, we will tell you about Christ University. Hi, this is Siddhartha Sareen and we at Youth for Work have come up with a video on eligibility for Christ University. The candidate must be 12th pass in any stream from any recognized board of India. The age of the candidate must be below 20 years. The candidate must score minimum 50% in 12th standard. Now this video will deal with the exam pattern for Christ University. The exam pattern will vary for different courses in the university. Check the description for the entire syllabus and exam pattern for different courses. Have come up with a few tips and tricks so that you could crack the exam for Christ University. As there is negative marking, attempt only those questions that you are sure of. Revise your concepts thoroughly so that you don't forget anything. Read newspaper daily to improve your general knowledge. Also, don't forget to do prep tests so that you know your strengths and weaknesses. For this, I would recommend you the Prep Guru app designed by Youth for Work for this very purpose.